Hi everyone. Welcome to today's video. I'll show you how to decorate and transform your patio into a breathtaking floral paradise using creative flower bed designs. Let's dive in. Start by creating raised flower beds. They give structure and elevate your plants for better drainage. Choose colorful flowers like petunias and marigolds for a vibrant touch. Vertical planters save space and draw the eye upward. Use them for trailing plants like ivy or vibrant blooms like fuchsia to create depth. Garden edging keeps your flower beds neat and adds a professional finish. You can use materials like bricks, stones, or wooden planks. Container gardens are great for flexibility. Mix herbs like basil and thyme with flowers to create beautiful and functional displays. A pergola or trellis not only provides shade but also serves as a support for climbing plants like jasmine or clematis, adding elegance to your patio. Tiered planters are perfect for maximizing space. Plant a variety of flowers and foliage for a cascading effect. Pathways guide movement and add structure. Pair them with a cozy seating area for a perfect spot to relax and enjoy your floral paradise. A water feature like a fountain or birdbath brings soothing sounds and attracts birds, creating a tranquil ambience. Lighting transforms your patio at night. Use string lights for a magical glow and spotlights to highlight key features like flower beds or sculptures. Add personality to your patio with sculptures, ornaments, or even wind chimes. These finishing touches reflect your unique style. And there you have it. A floral paradise that's perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which idea you're excited to try. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more visit rofhome.com.